In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Copilot. If you want to include a picture in your Copilot prompt, the good news is that it's very simple, and there are two easy ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you both methods clearly so you can choose whichever one feels more convenient. To get started, open Copilot and go to the chat area where you normally type your message. This is the same text box you use to enter prompts or questions. Once you're there, look closely near the text box for the plus sign. This is the first method for adding an image. Click the plus sign and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option to add images or files. After you click it, your device's file window will open. At this point, simply browse to the location where your image is saved. Take a moment to find the correct file, select it, and confirm your choice. Once selected, the image will be attached to your Copilot message area. This method is especially helpful if your files are neatly organized in folders because it gives you a direct way to search and select exactly what you want. It's also a good option if you want to make sure you're uploading the right image before sending anything. Now let's look at the second method, which is even faster. Instead of using the plus sign, you can simply click and drag your image directly into the Copilot text box. To do that, open the folder where your image is stored, click on the file, hold your mouse button down, and drag the image over to the Copilot text area. When the text box is highlighted or ready to accept the file, release your mouse button. That's it! The image will be added. This drag and drop method is great if you already have the image visible on your screen and want to save time. It feels quick and natural, especially when you're working with just one file. So to recap in a simple way, you can either use the plus sign and choose Add Images or Files, then locate and select your image, or you can drag the image straight into the text box and drop it there. Both options do the same thing, so it really comes down to personal preference. Once your image is attached, you're ready to continue with your prompt in Copilot, and that's how to add images in Copilot.